in senior school.
Bila shaka hoja ya kumbandua gavana Eric Mutai wa Kericho imeingia siku yake ya pili leo katika bunge la seneti, ambapo wanaendelea kutoa hoja zile za kusikilizwa na maseneta kabla maseneta hawajakaa kwenye kikao chao na kuamua iwapo Mutai ana makosa ya kujibu ama watakuwa wanambandua. Tumewaona maseneta mbalimbali wakiwasili na sasa hivi tuelekee pale katika bunge la seneti tusikilize kinachoendelea pale.
1922-27. It is through the chambers, static.
Give us the entry number. What page?
Page 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is the 7th one. Etna. So it's Honorable Etna.
What entry number?
Entry number from the bottom is number 6 from the bottom.
Number 6 from the bottom.
Yes.
And again, you confirm that that vote was cast from chambers?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Now, was the electronic voting done through the website so as to be affected by where the website is hosted?
No.
So the hosting of the website has nothing to do with the voting?
But where we have hosted, because it must be accessed through the database in our hosting site.
But could where the website is hosted affect the voting system?
It didn't.
Has any material been produced by the team for the governor showing that there was compromise from the host of the website?
No, not in my knowledge.
You have been accused of not training members of the county assembly on the use of this system. Kindly confirm the other functions that are available in this system other than the electronic voting.
The others that are available are members using the system, interacting with the system during committee meetings within the assembly.
How many times have members of the county assembly interacted with the system through meetings? And
multiple, since 2022.
Since 2022?
Yes.
Has any member of the county assembly ever complained that they were unable to use the system, even for the other functions?
Yes, we have had some cases and we resolved the issues.
Indeed, this is the very system that is used to pay members per diems, correct?
Yes.
And to generate vouchers, correct?
Yes.
The same members that are now complaining that they could not use the system, correct?
Yes.
Is there anything in law that prevents the county assembly from developing its own system internally?
Standing orders is sufficient to allow us to do the system for the operations within the assembly.
Is the system you generated the only system that is being used within Kericho County government, including executive?
No, we are using in the Kericho County Assembly.
Are you aware if the county executive has their own internal
yes,
systems?
Yes.
Give an example of such an internally developed mechanism.
They say they have revenue collection system.
So the revenue system of Kericho is internally developed?
They said so.
Is there anything wrong then for you to develop your own system?
Not at all.
And maybe let me ask this question. In your own understanding as an IT expert, does the revenue system that has been internally developed by Kericho government have an administrator?
Yes, it does.
Does that administrator have the same user rights as you interact with your system?
Yes, he must be having.
And this involves the entire revenue of Kericho County that is collected?
Yes.
Let's talk about the data that you presented as audit logs for the voting system.
Yes.
Other than what you printed, is the raw data still available on the system?
Yes,
that is untampered with, that is uncopied?
It is.
It is?
Yes.
You have also been accused of not producing a certificate of electronic evidence. to demonstrate the procedure you used.
I've confirmed that.
Kindly, for record purposes, confirm that indeed you supplied us with a certificate of electronic.
Yes, sir.
Where is that certificate contained?
Volume 2, page 114.
Bila shaka huyu ni